Hi guys, how are you? I hope all of you are good. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to prepare a report in terms of chart. You know, all the reports when you are preparing on numeric basis, it's good, it's better, but when you are preparing your reports in terms of charts, so it's easy to analyze, it's easy for the shareholders, for the stakeholders. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how we can prepare our reports in terms of chart, so we can present to our seniors in better form. So let's begin. I already prepared this. I will just delete this. Okay. See, when you're preparing any type of report, whether is it in terms of chart, in terms of normal figures, you have to have a data. Without data, you can't prepare any report. So in this case, I prepared some data. You can see that this is month, Jan, Feb, March, and this is sale, expense, net profit. Okay, so now this is a report. Example, if I want to present to my senior, I will just prepare a report like this. Okay, and I will get this. I can prepare this. This is also a report. You can see this is a report. You can present to your seniors, but you know what? It's better to also give some reports in terms of chart analysis. They will understand easily and they will take a right decision. So let's begin. We have data: Jan, Feb, March, sale, expense, and net profit. The first step is to select the data. Okay, we select this data and you need to go to this tab, insert. After going to the tab insert, you need to select chart. Okay, so here you have a lot of type of charts. Okay, you can see it here. You need to select the right one. Excel will also recommend to you, but just for now let's select this one. Okay, and you can increase. Okay, you can select the theme, which theme you like. Okay, see, now you can see in terms of this 1, 2, 3, they give you monthly. Okay, so sale in the month of Jan was around, like you can say 15,000, then it jumped to 25,000, then it jumped to around 54,000. If you are not sure about the figures, we just need to change here. Okay, there will be some reports which will also show you figures. Yes, definitely this one's. Okay, this is very good, very nice. So you can explain very easily, like in Jan the figure was 15,000 and if 25, like this. I think this is also not good. Yeah, this one is good. Okay, this is sale and now this is expense. For the expenses also it's telling you that your expense was 10,000, 13,000 and 35,000 by month wise. Okay, you can see by this color is March. Okay, this orange is Feb and this light blue is Jan. And here it shows you the profit. But you know what, this chart is not looking good. We need to change the chart. Let's go back to the change chart type. Okay, and we need to select a line, and I think this one will be the best chart to explain. So we need to select this. Okay, and okay, now this one is comparatively to other one, this one is good. You know why this one is good? Because it's giving you a comparison of all the things, sale, expense, everything. So that is very easy and very analyzable, that you can get what you want. Example, here you can see first you will start from the Jan. Okay, It's telling you that in the Jan your sale was 15,136, but your expense was 10,428. So the net profit was 4,708. Okay, this is very nice, very easy. Okay, but then what happened? From Jan to Feb, the sale jumped to 25,000. Okay, but expense also jumped to 80,000, and from Jan the net profit jumped from 4,708 to 7,908. So you can see that this is a very good report here in terms of the analyzing. You can also put a trend line. Okay, what just need to do, come here and select the trend line. Okay, now the trend line you are selecting on what? In sale. I want to see my sale trend, I will select. Okay, you can see that the trend line is showing a very good trend. It's going completely in upward. Okay, now what? I want to give a trend line in terms of the profit or the expense. Okay, so again, okay, select, and now I want to see in terms of net profit. Okay, you can see before we saw here trend line of the sale was upward, but now you can upward mean like it was straightforward to the upside. But you can see the profit, it is not that much. Maybe this company has some issue of the expenses. Yes, they are in the profit, their profit is going up, but not that much like as the sale was. So guys, this option is very easy and very interesting, especially for me when I was preparing reports for owners, senior managers. I like these charts and I use a lot. So I hope you will understand and you will get some idea of this.